Hello guys. So yesterday's video I did share with you guys that IKEA, these guys, they opened up in my local area here in Abbotsford, Canada. So today I was like, yep, today's video we're gonna be checking it out because I've done a video of the main IKEA, which is in Coquitlam. That's the main IKEA that we have here, and then now they recently opened here in Abbotsford in my local area. So yeah, let's have a look on what they have today because yeah, it's exciting to see what they have here. So we're gonna see how the structure is like, if we're gonna see if there's any big difference, but let's get into the video. It made it look almost similar as the previous location because they have like the settings of the, of how it's gonna look like in your rooms or living rooms, bedrooms. So yeah, it's not as big as the previous location, which is the main one, but honestly it looks really good.
We all know you're not, but hey, you're the best kind of weird that I got. Your song's stuck in my head, it's on repeat. The awkward dance I do, but only on your street. I won't say you're perfect, we all know you're not, but hey, you're the best kind of weird that I got.
And let's see what's the pricing like. 2,200. So white mirror glass. Okay, so this price includes the frames, the doors, interior fittings, and yeah.
Everyday moments into our sparkling sea. I won't say you're perfect. I won't say you're perfect.
I love the color of this. Like honestly, this is something that I would love to own in terms of the setting color as it is. Neutral colors, I really love neutral colors. So the curtains looks really nice, the bed has a beautiful color. And I love this material right here, looks really good honestly, and it's $59.
Adore you, but don't get too proud. I won't say you're perfect, we all know you're not, but hey, you're the best kind of weird that
This is like a living room setup. Honestly, I love how this got the wooden, design on it. This is something that lots of people are going for at the moment. Like this type of design, this wooden structure is like a, living room setup. It's really awesome. Insane. I love the color of this. It's like genuinely beautiful. Guys, let me know what you think. This should be like $850 for the frame, which is really nice. Yeah, and then they got a little design. Guys, like I'm giving you guys some ideas for free from IKEA, shout out to IKEA. IKEA, if you're watching this, please sponsor me, and then you get like a sample, if I'm not wrong. Yeah, it should be like samples of the door frame right there. It's really cool. And then obviously they got like the washrooms down there. So honestly, they've done a really IKEA. There's something about IKEA, they do a really they do a really good job in terms of like how they display their items for sale, because once you see something you're like intrigued, you just want to purchase it, you know what I mean? Just how they set up the displays, and yeah, I just really done a good job on that, you know. I really love this. Like, so this is a kitchen setup. Honestly, IKEA is such an amazing brand. Hopefully one day we'll be working for IKEA. Why not? You know what I mean, guys? In terms of branding their items, you know. If you want like a, you know, inspiration on how you're gonna display if you're moving to a new place, or you know, you're trying to transform your place to a different kind of look, it's gonna give you you know, an idea of how it's gonna look like. Ooh, this is giving me some African vibes. This reminds me of like some African, you know, items, because this is how we make back home. Oh, wild! Look at that other living room setup. This is beautiful, guys. Look at that. literally a setup of how you'd like your location to look. Like if your kitchen, you'd love to have like a planner, you know, like school monthly planner. They just give you an idea of how you're going to have your room as, you know. So IKEA is just so good. So obviously for these guys it's just one floor, because the previous IKEA that we went, obviously it's the bigger one, so there's like upper floors, but right here is just basically just this first floor only. But guys, I think that's the most part of it. I guess we've covered the most part, and then this guy will be 18 just for this kitchen section. That will be the price. But yeah, that's the look for IKEA. Oh, and I think we've not been able to check this part out. Oh, I guess that's for consultation, I guess, but that section. But yeah, that's the walkthrough for like IKEA here in my local area, and I hope you guys enjoyed today's video. And then self-checkout, if you wanna do self-checkout, or if you want to get service, you can get service right there. But yeah, alright guys, and then lastly, this lovely kitchen right here, display. Love the color as well, it's really good. But yeah, that is IKEA, guys. That is IKEA. Really love it. Awesome guys, so that marks the end of today's video, but today was pretty much an overview of IKEA here in my local area, which is Abbotsford. So if you ever come to Abbotsford, make sure to pass by IKEA here and check it out, because that's pretty much how it looks like, which is really cool. And it's small, you know, not as big in terms of like the space, but they've made use of like the space. Like you will feel like we are in the main IKEA, you know, because I was in the main one, which is in Coquitlam, which is really big with everything in it. And right here they opened up here, which is a smaller space, but at the same time it doesn't feel like it's small because everything is well laid out. The setup for IKEA is like really good. So yeah, I hope you enjoyed today's video, and again, always chase your dreams. So please chase your dreams, because your dreams are very much valid, and do not worry about perfection, because when you're starting something, you're not gonna be perfect, but as you keep going, you're gonna be good at it, right? It's more of showing up and be consistent, and you'll get to where you wanna get to. Yeah, and yeah, don't doubt yourself if you're not good in speaking or like looking at the camera, or you feel like you don't look good. No, just chase that dream, because guys, it's very much valid. So anyways, I hope you liked today's video. Please click the like button if you haven't already. Please subscribe, share it with your friends, families, and let them know that Canada is a beautiful place to be, and has lovely experiences. And yeah, I hope you enjoyed today's video on a tour on IKEA here in my local area, Abbotsford. So God bless you guys, and I'll see you guys in the next one. I'm excited for the next one, by the way, but see you guys in the next one. God bless and peace.